Thanks for joining me for day 5 of 100 Days of Command Your Business. Today, I'm going to be talking about how your clients search for homes and view property details using the consumer app. I'm going to demonstrate that for you. So here we go. All right, so we're working in the consumer app. It's the white icon with the red KW. I'm going to go ahead and go to the search screen, and I'm going to go ahead and type in a city. And then here it is under cities. And I can also use in the top right corner, I can click clear to clear the boundary. And if you'll notice in the top right, a little few buttons down, there's the draw icon. So I can actually draw on the map the area that I want to search it. And I can use this for sale to punch in if I just want active or also coming soon, and those other options selected as well. Price range is the next option. Let's say the maximum is going to be 2 million. Property type, I want to just look at houses. And under more, you have a couple more options. I'm going to do 3+ beds, 2+ baths, and has parking. 2 results. All right, and then if I want to, I can click on one of these little, where those bubbles pop up with the price. I can preview some of the photos. If I actually click again on what's showing up at the bottom, I can see all the additional details. So this is all feeding from MLS. What locals say is from our system. Walkability, commute times, nearby schools, upcoming open houses, payment calculator, then there's nearby homes. If I go back to the top and I want to see more photos, I can just click on that top photo and it'll open up the whole gallery. And if I want to just see one at a time, I can go and swipe through them. I'm going to X this out. All right, now back to the search screen. If I want a list format instead of a map, it's just this icon in the very top right corner. So when I touch it, it goes back and forth. So here's the list view. Now I'm going to check out this second home. Let's say I really like it and I want to save it for later. I can click this save button and I can create a collection. Again, I'm acting as a buyer. I'm just demonstrating how your clients would use this app, how your prospects would use this app. So I'm going to type in SB faves. Right? And so it's favorited with that save button that's just below the beds, baths, and address. And let's say I want to favorite that other property. Do you see that heart symbol on the right-hand side just beneath the photo? I can just touch that heart, add it to my SB faves, and click save in the top right corner. This app was modeled to be very similar to Zillow. And next I'm going to show you how your client would save a search. So save the search criteria, let's say, so that I can quickly go back to this without having to draw it on the map again or put in my criteria. I'm going to click in the bottom, sort of bottom right area, the save search. It's the dark blue button. And I'm going to name it SB. And then I can select how often I'd like to receive an email notification. If I click instant, I'm going to get an email and push notification within 30 minutes of a property hitting the market that meets my search criteria. So if that's going to be, let's say I have a really broad search, I probably would select something else like daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. And then I can turn those push notifications on for this and click save. So me as the client, I just went ahead and set up that save search. So very similar to how I would do that on one of our competitor sites like Zillow, Redfin, Realtor.com, has those same features. And you as the agent, you can see what save searches the client is doing through command, which I will show in a later video. So there you have it. That is how your clients can search for homes and view property details within the consumer app.